Hey guys, for some of you that don't know me, my name's Amy. I am a dental hygienist here at Artistry and Dentistry, and I wanted to take the time to spotlight one of my favorite dental products here. So what we have now is a product called Curodont. And what Curodont is a way for us to detect early lesions on the tooth where we're starting to see some decay, some demineralization happen on the tooth, and we pick this up with x-rays. Instead of watching an area on the tooth progressively get worse and worse and potentially have to have an injection and drilling, now we're able to stop the process. So this product, what it does is we dry the tooth off, we make sure we apply different dental products to make sure the tooth is nice and clean, and then we apply this product directly to it. And what it does is it's able to go through the enamel and use the calcium and phosphate from the saliva and help to remineralize and strengthen the tooth itself. This is going to be a lot less invasive. No drilling time, no injections. You're not even going to doctor's side. Us hygienists or the dental assistants can actually apply this. So again, I just wanted to let you guys know this is just one of my favorite dental products. I'm so happy we have it, and I'm so grateful we can offer it to each and every one of you.